So let's begin. I have taken here chicken breast pieces, and into it I will add garlic powder half a teaspoon and ginger powder 4 teaspoon. Ginger powder is a strong flavor, so I'm going to add here 1/4 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon of oregano and 2 teaspoon of olive oil. Salt according to taste. Mix it together, all the ingredients. If you don't have ginger garlic powder, you can add here ginger garlic paste too. As I have ginger garlic powder, so I have added here. And after that I will add here pepper powder 1 teaspoon and mix it again well with the chicken and marinate this chicken for round about 1 hour. After 1 hour, in a baking tray I'm going to place a parchment paper. Into it I'll add this chicken breast pieces here and add a little bit of olive oil on top and flip it again, and from the both side I will add the olive oil and I will bake it in 150 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. And while my chicken is baking, I will take half a cup of red wine and brown sugar, around about 3 to 4 teaspoons of brown sugar. I'll mix it, and now I will switch on the gas and let it boil. After boiling, it will be a thick consistency. See the consistency. If you do not want to use red wine, then you can use here black vinegar, and brown sugar is must to bring the glossy color. After 20 minutes, taking out from the oven, my chicken is done. It's completely done. Now I will just flip the chicken pieces, and my chicken is done. And now I will take a mozzarella cheese and I'm going to cut this into slices, and some tomatoes also. I'll slice the tomatoes and the mozzarella cheese. And I will place the tomato and the mozzarella cheese above the chicken breast here. See the way I'm doing it. And now I will spread a little bit of the wine and the brown sugar sauce on top and bake it for another 15 minutes in 150 degrees Celsius. After 15 minutes, my chicken, mozzarella, tomato is ready. Plate it with some wine sauce, the sauce which we have made, and chop some basil, finely chopped basil, and garnish it with the basil leaves, and serve hot and enjoy with your Valentine.